What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the Notion Marketplace. Notion Marketplace is a platform where creators can showcase and sell their Notion templates to a global audience. It simplifies the process of monetizing digital products by offering integrated payment solutions and user-friendly listing options. With a focus on quality and usability, the marketplace connects innovative creators with Notion's users seeking to enhance their productivity and organization. Now, let's talk about its top features. Template listing. Creators can easily list their Notion templates on the marketplace, showcasing their work to a broad audience. This feature allows for customization, including cover images and descriptions, making it easier for potential buyers to understand the value of each template. A well-organized listing can significantly enhance visibility and increase sales opportunities for creators. Payment integration. The marketplace offers seamless payment integration through Stripe, ensuring secure transactions for both creators and buyers. This system handles payments efficiently, allowing creators to focus on their products rather than administrative tasks. With features like refunds and transaction analytics, creators can manage their sales effectively while providing a smooth purchasing experience for users. Quality standards. Notion Marketplace enforces strict quality standards for all listed templates, ensuring that only original and user-friendly products are available. This commitment to quality helps maintain a high level of trust among users who can confidently purchase templates knowing they meet specific design and functionality criteria. It encourages creators to produce their best work, benefiting the entire community. Support for creators. Notion provides extensive support for creators, offering resources and courses that help them effectively market their templates. This guidance covers pricing, strategies, promotional techniques, and customer engagement, empowering creators to maximize their potential in the marketplace. By investing in creator success, Notion fosters a vibrant ecosystem where innovative ideas can thrive and reach a wider audience. Now, one of the main disadvantages of Notion Marketplace is the high competition among creators. With numerous templates available, it can be challenging for individual creators to stand out and attract buyers. Additionally, the 10% transaction fee and 40 cents per sale can significantly cut into profits, especially for lower-priced items. This financial burden may discourage new creators from entering the marketplace or limit their ability to price competitively while still earning a sustainable income from their work. In conclusion, Notion Marketplace represents a significant advancement in how digital products are shared within the Notion ecosystem. By providing a structured environment for template creation and sales, it empowers users to enhance their productivity while offering creators a viable avenue for monetization. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.